I hope you be well. My name is Amir Mehdi, and in this one, we're gonna check this string method that returns true if your string contains contains letters from A till Z and numbers and some other stuff. So let's write a variable called Python is cool. Okay. So like other string methods, you have to save it in another variable and you write text dot is ASCII and you print your variable. Okay. Then we run our code and we got true, which means this string is ASCII. So if we add some numbers, we still get true, which means numbers contain two. Okay, that was it. Make sure you subscribe our channel, and we're done till next one. Peace.